Howdy fellas. In the Muzzleloading Winter Projects video, I mentioned that I might be building a kit this winter, and through a little horse trade, and I'd acquired a smooth rifle, which was just a little bit too short in length to pull, which for those of you who are new to shooting long guns, that means that the distance between the trigger and the stock, that's what that distance is, and that length to pull was just too short for me to be comfortable with that rifle. So I wound up selling it back to the gentleman I got it from, and I ordered from Kibler longrifles.com one of their Southern Mountain Rifle kits, and that's what's inside this box right here. Going to be doing a series of videos on the build of that, and I would like to make them detailed, but there's two reasons why I'm not going to do that. Number one, my internet is slow as dial-up by comparison this day and time. Number two, the detailed videos are on Kibler Long Rifle's website, or excuse me, their YouTube channel. So I'll be doing kind of maybe a little bit of detail, but a lot of it will just be progress reports. So I hope you'll stick with me for that series. And as always, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.